Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're back out with Billy. We're doing Wishaw way. It's going to be a wee bit of a sloppy mess today, so we'll try and keep the cameras as clean as what we can. Don't forget as well, guys, you can get yourself a 20% discount using Fire21 from the Citrus Eyewear website. Right, we'll get set up, we'll get down the hill and get mucky. See you down there. So what model is this, Billy?
It's a straight rail. It started life in a Trek Rail 5.
Trek Rail 5?
Yeah. It's basically the most budget one you can buy, but...
And you've fully customised that. Oh, I'll jump in behind you, mate. Yep, so the Trek Rail 5, Billy's made a monumental amount of changes to it. There's 29 front and rear. Bird Tech bars, grips, the Shimano XT brakes, and a full Fox factory setup. The Fox 36 in the front. What's the rear shock on this, Billy? A DPX?
Travel 160.
160.
Front and rear.
Right.
No, a 170 it is, sorry, on the front, 160 in the back.
Oh, where are we going? Up there? Up there? The group set on this is Fram Eagle GX 12 speed. Oh, that's us soaking already. So I've been the custodian of this bike the last couple of rides, which it's been an absolute honour. It's been a great bike to ride. Yeah. Again, it's just good to get as many laps in as you can. In terms of how it feels, first few rides were a bit daunting, being 29er and it being a large, but I've settled into it pretty nicely. Oh yeah, Jesus! But you know, I think my next bike will be possibly a larger frame. It just feels, it fits me a lot more, I think, even though I'm sized for a medium. But I've enjoyed the larger size. It feels a lot more planted. For me, a wee bit trickier getting round corners, but you can adjust to that. It's a compromise that I will be willing to make with a bike now. Right, but enough talk, we'll get up, we'll get the trail sent. That's just a bit about the bike. We'll try and get some trails done here. Whoa! Whoa, slippy. Slippy. Whoa. Whoa! I've done this one, mate. You done that one? Right, gap jump. It's the slippy routes here, mate. Ah. Ah. Right. Jesus. Yeah, boy. You alright? Lead the way. You. Oh. Oh. Trying to get my feet right. There's a jump coming up here. Oh. This one keeping you on your toes. I'm not sending that, it's too slippy. Jesus Christ. You need to be careful when you put the power down, mate, because your wheels just go.
That was good.
That was good, mate.
Like no clue. No clue, mate. Whoa, slippy. In the rut. Oh, missed the jump. Oh, Jesus. Missed another jump by accident. Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Jesus.
I'm pretty sure we'll get something out of it, mate. We always do. Oh Jesus, another pedal on an e-bike in a slippy route. Oh, I'm just not in gear. I'm trying to get into the catch berms. Phew! Jesus, that was a big bag, boy. Oh, you don't want to go down there. Oh, feet out. Oh, can you catch that one? Jesus! Oh. Oh. That was mental, mate. They two trees, well, they three trees in the fucking left there. The two went that way, then there was three trees like in a triangle. Look like that for it.
Through them.
Aye, you couldn't have turned it.
The jumps because I couldn't.
Never tried this drop before, so here we go. Oh, it's so slidey. Oh Jesus, whoa. Guys, we're going to call it that today. As you can see with the trees, you probably won't really hear it because I've got the muffler on, but the wind just, it came from nowhere. Yeah, and the trees are kind of blowing about, so I don't exactly fancy being in here in the middle of a storm, so we'll just call it. Phew. What's that? That's it. Two wheel drifting up puddle there.